Hello, my name is Duncan, and after being forced into early retirement, I've decided to spend my time trying to help people, especially other stroke survivors, carers, and medical community therapists, etc., by sharing my stories and findings, and also creating videos using AI tools to share stroke articles and put them on this YouTube channel in a more consumable format. I find reading long text quite difficult and tiring, so even for my own personal use, I find it easier to consume stuff in a video format. So hopefully you'll find this useful. So please help me to help others by liking and subscribing the videos. If there's anything specific you want to know or need to ask, just put them in the comments below and I'll try and respond. Okay, thanks for your time. Cheers, bye bye.